Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the text size on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. You may want to do this to make things easier to read. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change text size in Windows 11, first head to the main settings page. You can get there a number of ways, but we'll be searching for it in the search bar. In the settings, click on Accessibility from the left, and then in here click on Text Size. It should be the top option. All you need to do now is drag the slider to the right to make it larger or to the left to make it smaller. Remember that you might need to change text size in certain apps too, and you should be able to do this within the app or games settings. And so that is how to change the text size on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.